What's the meaning of blossom? Blossom. Blossom.
Blossom. Blossom. Blossom refers to the process of a plant's growth and development from a bud to a fully formed flower. This process typically involves the unfurling of a plant's petals and the emergence of its reproductive structures, such as stamens and pistils. The term is often used metaphorically to describe the process of personal growth and development in individuals. Just as a plant needs the right conditions to blossom, people require certain experiences and opportunities to reach their full potential. Blossom can also refer to the flowers themselves, which are often associated with beauty, femininity, and the renewal of life in springtime.